Hello everyone, so I am Rolly Arpicaza and today I will teach you how to normal the data if our data is not normal. So example here is the pretest of the students came from um, this Excel. So they have pretest and post-test for first session to 10th session. So this is our pretest. So let's check first whether this data is normal or not. So this is the average mean of the pretest uh, for 10 sessions. So how to do that? Go to analyze, descriptive statistics, and then explore, and then the pretest here, put that to the dependent list, and then click go to plots, then normality plots with test, check that one, then continue, and then okay. Again, the how to identify whether it's normal data or not, uh, go to the uh, Shafiruk-Wilk. If the sig is less than 0.05, meaning the data is not normal, and go to the Kolmogorov-Izmirnov. Again, if the sig is not is significant, so the data is not normal. And take a look on the skewedness, negative 1.072. So we will use, to transform our data to normal, we will use logarithm and square root. So let's try. So let's transform compute table, and then let's rename the variable. The target variable now is to be normalize. And then there must be a formula to be used, but we will just get the maximum value of the group of the pretest. So go back to Excel, press equal sign, max, type the max, and then open parenthesis, highlight the pretest. So after highlighting the pretest, close parenthesis, and then here we get now the 4.4. This will be now our maximum, the 4.4 plus 1 minus the pretest. So this is our formula to get to have another data. So executed, this is now executed. And now let's transform the data. Compute variable, and then let's rename this one into logarithm 10 normal. So erase this, then go to all, and then look for logarithm, this one. So double click this one, and then to be normalized, go to numeric expression, and then okay. So this is now executed. So this will be now the data of our new logarithm. And now let's check whether this logarithm is normal or not. Let's go to explore, and then transform logarithm normal to dependent list. Go to plots, check the normality plots with test, let's continue, and then okay. So let's check now the value of our Shafiruk-Wilk. So now the Shafiruk-Wilk is greater than 0.05, meaning this is no longer normal. And the Kolmogorov-Smirnov is still greater than 0.05, meaning this is normal. So our logarithm, transformation of logarithm is acceptable. Then let's try the square root. So transform, go to transform, compute variable, and then let's change or rename the target value square root normal. So erase the numeric expression and then go to all, go to square root, double click the square root, and then to be normalized, go to numeric expression and then press OK. And then this is now executed. So go back now to our main data. So this is now the data of our 27 students. So let's check whether this square root is normal or not. They go to descriptive statistics, go to explore, and then to be the square root normal, go to dependent list, go to plots, check the normality plots with test, continue, and then okay. So let's check now whether our square root is um, normal. So this is now our square root and with positively skewed with skewedness 0.669. So looking for the Shafiruk-Wilk. Now, this is greater than 0.05, meaning this is now normal. Uh, so the two data from pretest to logarithm and square root. So maybe which of the two will you use to transform your data to normal? So whether the two, you may use this in your calculation for ANOVA, t-test, z-test, and so on. So that's all. I hope that you learned something and please subscribe. Bye.